This is going to be a really quick video. There's been a lot of discussion about the possible entry point used by the killer in the University of Idaho student murders. We've mostly all heard by now that the front door on the first floor was found open that morning, but it's seeming like most people are suspecting entry through the sliding glass doors of the second floor, which does sit at ground level in the backyard. However, I did notice in the early drone footage that 2 stools were placed on their sides, jamming the sliding glass door shut. And I was wondering if this might be how the victims left it upon arriving home that night. Or did the killer perhaps do this? A friend even suggested to me that the police may have done this. I've been trying to go back and look at other footage, but there's so much content out there at this point, I'm having a hard time finding if these stools were actually like this on day 1, or if the scene had already been altered by law enforcement to keep nosy people out. Also, in the raw footage released by Law and Crime Network, we can see that at least 1 stool was taken out by the police with the rest of the victims' belongings. Seeing that just made me think back to the drone footage and those 2 stools jamming the door shut, as well as the front door being found open. It seems like most people are leaning towards the perpetrator entering through the sliding glass door, or perhaps even a window on the second floor that police had gathered around one day. I'm kind of leaning towards entry through the first floor door at this point, but I'm definitely open to several possibilities. The front door may have also just been the mode of exit. If you'd like, please leave a comment and share your thoughts. And if you have any information that could help investigators identify the killer or killers of Xana, Ethan, Madison, and Kaylee, then please contact the tip line either by email at tipline@ci.moscow.id.us or by phone at 208-883-7180. You can also upload any important media files online by going to fbi.gov/Moscow, Idaho.